Hey, welcome back to the shop. I supercharged my eye sharpener or wannabe Tormek. This is the Canadian Tire version of knockoff that also made by Wen and Crafted and several other ones. When they go on sale, you can buy these things for like $140, and they definitely don't come with this. They comes with a regular stone. Um, so I bought a CBN wheel, which means I no longer have to use water and make a mess. And I bought it's called Tornado from Wood Wonders. The wheel itself cost the same as at least that what I bought it, which is Woodchuckers. Um, the Tormek original diamond wheel cost the same as this one. Having said that, the Tormek is full face, which weighs almost way more than this one. So I wasn't sure, and because this is a knockoff, I'm assuming it doesn't have as powerful of a motor as an actual Tormek. So I bought this one, which it has a radius in the corners is 2 inches, and it also has about an inch of CBN in each side. See if you want to flatten the back of something. It runs really nice, and it's actually lighter than the stone that came with this thing. Another thing that if you bought one of these guys, and then you might run into a problem that people complain is that this bar here is cheaply made compared to the actual Tormek one, and it doesn't align parallel, so you end up sharpening a chisel and it won't be square to the thing. So just to save you some money, if you're like me and you go, hey, I'll just buy this from Tormek, which I did, and it's right here, it's beautifully made. And having said that, it's not the same size. So that was 80 something dollars gone in the garbage. I mean, this guy, look, it even has numbers and a threaded thing to micro adjust, when this one just doesn't. Having said that, I did buy along with this the Tormek holder for chisels, and when you put it against this end, that squares it off to this tool. However, it does now. Here, let me flip this over. It does not square it off to. I'm doing this with one hand. It does not square it off to the blade. But this one has these two knobs here. So by loosening one and tightening the other, you're actually shifting this. So this is an old beat up chisel that I had. So I use this. Basically, I marked it. You can see I'm not fully done with it, but I basically marked it with a Sharpie and grind it until I had a full edge across, then measured that with a square, and it was way off, and then I started adjusting these two guys until I got it square. So in the process of doing that, I took a fair chunk out of this guy. So if you're doing that, I would suggest that you're using a chisel that you're willing to lose probably a 1/16, 1/8 of an inch on the length. It depends, like your may be really close or may actually be square, but that was the process, and I thought I'd share that with you. But then, yeah, I don't need this guy anymore. I'm gonna leave it there because of shavings and stuff. I'm gonna put a magnet at the bottom because the Tormek one comes with a magnet. This one doesn't. But I don't have to use water anymore, and yeah, is now a supercharged. So that's it. We'll finish this one right here. I will do some other videos when I do sharpen other stuff. So if you want to follow for that, that's cool. If no, I'm glad you're here. Take it easy. Ciao.